Now, dear friends, how to use as soon as we have seen it in our first lesson, in our first period. Now, in order to have ample practice about how to use as soon as an advanced level of as soon as, you can have some more sentences already on the blackboard. That we got a structure here as soon as first action, comma, second action. When two sentences are there, they are combined in such a way that first action is put after as soon as and second action is put after comma. But as an advanced stage, you can view some more examples here. These are examples having some more sentences which are parallel to as soon as. Just like as, just like at once, sometimes having presence of quickly, immediately, sometimes soon after, soon, soon is here, when, and having presence of all these words, we are strictly instructed while using as soon as these all the words must be removed. These all the words must be eliminated from the sentence while using as soon as. Now let us turn towards the first sentence. As Shankar entered the house, he saw a bag of 99 rupees lying on the floor behind the door. It's our first responsibility that we are compelled, we are instructed, we are suggested to use as soon as here and at the medial location or at the interval of the sentence we will definitely use comma. Now in this sentence comma is already present here. We just need to put as soon as at the beginning of the sentence. But remember, as must be eliminated first, as must be eliminated first, and then we shall use as soon as here. Now after using this formula, the sentence would be as soon as. There are some students which mispronounce the word as. So this is not as. This is as soon as. So the sentence would be as soon as Shankar entered the house, he saw a white bag, a bag of 99 rupees lying on the floor behind the door. You need not to utter the word comma. No need to utter the word comma, but don't forget to use comma at the interval of the sentence. So in this sentence we remove as. Let us turn towards the second sentence. The dark one entered the hall. Rama at once got up from his seat. There's no doubt all the sentences are written the first action, second action, the first action, second action. So you need not to confuse here because all the sentences are written, they are systematically arranged. First action and second action means already they are alternately arranged here. So you need not to understand, you need not to recognize which action is the first, which action is the second. You just try to observe, try to recognize which words do I need to eliminate, which are parallel, which are equivalent to the meaning of as soon as. Now, second, as soon as the dark one entered the hall. You just use here as soon as. Then another important change is capital here, but you need to use small letter because it is capital here because it is the beginner in the sentence. But now as soon as is used, it present at the interval at the medial location. That's why one need not to use capital T. Meanwhile, required to use small t. As soon as the dark one entered the hall, again at the interval, comma is required. You can underline comma, Rama. But remember, no need to use word at once. We need to remove this word because this is equivalent to as soon as. And that is our special purpose. To take all these sentences which are exceptional sentences, which need to remove all these equivalent words. Now, as soon as the dark one entered the hall, comma, Rama got up from his seat. Now let us turn towards third sentence is here. Nakula drank water. He immediately struck down. In this sentence, you can observe the word immediately here. As soon as Nakula drank water, comma, he struck down. As soon as Nakula drank water, comma, he struck down. Again, we need to eliminate the word immediately. Remember, which words are we eliminating as? Then when, immediately, soon, soon after this.